Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify store step by step. So whether you're just getting started or you want to give your store a fresh new look, this tutorial will walk you through all the basics. But before we begin, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, click the link in the description to get their $1 per month for 3 months trial. It's a great way to build your store without spending much upfront. So, customizing your Shopify store is essential to match your brand identity, improve user experience, and make sure your site looks trustworthy and professional. So, the goal here is to create a store that reflects your business and makes it easy for customers to find what they're looking for, like your homepage, shop, catalog, and contact page. So, once you're in the Shopify dashboard, look on the left side and click on Online Store, and under that click themes. So from here you can browse free themes. So pick one that fits your niche and style. So for example, a minimal theme works for fashion stores. So let's pick that instead. So I've already picked one for this video, so let's move forward and click customize. Now that we're inside the theme editor, this is where you design your storefront. So on the left, you'll see your sections like header, template, and footer. So on the right, you can preview your store in desktop, mobile, or full width views. You'll also find undo redo buttons and something called sidekick and inspector, which helps spot accessibility or layout issues. So let's go through each section and start customizing. So let's begin with the header. So in here, we control the logo, menu, search icon, customer account icon, and more. So first things first here, so upload your store logo and center it. So below the logo, place your navigation menu. Keep it clear and simple. So home, shop, contact, etc. Then we're going to turn on the search icon and position it at the top right. For this customer account, so this helps returning customers log in easily. So take note, Shopify now uses new account management, so legacy accounts may not be supported. And then we're going to enable localization options like currency and language selector. And then set position to top right. And then under the appearance section, let's set width and select full. So for height standard and then sticky header, let's pick always. And for colors, I'm keeping it black, but choose whatever suits your brand. So in here in theme settings, you can fine tune things like font, colors, and layout. So here's also where you can upload your logo again if needed. So for the menu type, choose drawer. So a drawer menu slides in from the side on mobile. So it's a clean and compact way to show navigation. Now let's click menu. So in here, you can link to your main menu, which controls the navigation bar at the top of your store. So we'll leave the style on featured products for now. So for the image ratio, let's click portrait. So for the mobile layout, let's turn on navigation bar so it works smoothly on phones. So this just ensures that your site looks professional and responsive across devices. Now let's talk about the template section. So this is where your homepage comes to life. So templates include headings, collection list, image banners, product carousels, media with text, button groups, and more. You can also rearrange, add, or delete these sections. So for this tutorial, we'll leave the default layout, but feel free to experiment if you want a more personalized look. Next up is the footer. So this is the section at the bottom of your site. So for direction, let's set it to vertical, alignment for center, position center, gap 64px, and for the width, let's pick page. Let's click auto for height. And for the color scheme, let's just choose one that contrasts well with the rest of your site. So I'll keep this color. For padding, just keep default or adjust based on spacing. Now that you've made your changes, let's preview the store. Click the back arrow, then select View Store. And then take a look at how everything appears. So the logo, header menu, search bar, footer should now look clean and aligned with your brand. So if anything feels off, just go back into customize and tweak it again. And that's it. That's how you customize a Shopify store from start to finish. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or you want me to cover more Shopify tutorials.